Yeah, dear students, sorry for the delay. Due to some unfortunate works, I'm unable to make the video of the chapter 9 on time. But anyhow, I'm doing the video now. Yeah, chapter 9, results and discussion. Here, 9.1, implementation description. So for this, I'm showing the sample. I'm taking a sample project, Deep Decision Fusion Framework for Intelligent. So in this project, we have multiple files. So, for example, app.py, main.py, grim.py, roots.py. So, here app.py is much important. Copy all app.py codes. Thereafter, open a GPT, ChatGPT. Yeah, sir, we can take ChatGPT and others also. It won't be a problem. I already did actually, but I forgot to record the video. That's why I'm showing from scratch. See here. I copied the app.py code here. Then after shift enter within the same also copy ML utils. This is also mandatory. ML utils also mandatory. Next root.py. Roots.py. If you have roots.py, if you have ml.py, like that, copy all the codes. Copy all the codes. See here. I copied all the codes. Shift enter, shift enter. Within the single prompt, I copied all the codes. Then after, this is the prompt. For above, give me implementation description such as how code flow works, how connections are made. Give me like bullet point based paragraphs, not paragraphs, bullet points based paragraphs. So after it is going to generate the prompt like this. So come back to the document and paste. Here it is mandatory. 9.1. The implementation description of the project is discussed as follows. Then after whatever the content it is given, copy paste. It's always a bullet point based paragraphs. Okay. So here then 9.2 dataset description. For this is very simple. Open dataset. Set open cloud workload dataset. Thereafter copy few rows like first 5 rows or first 5 columns. So not first 5 columns, all the columns with first 5 rows. Copy them. Then come back to the same prompt. Paste it. Paste it. See here. After pasting it, here clearly give the title of the project, or topic of the or application of the project. Then after first common paragraph, then explain each column in single paragraph. Then it is going to give the output like this. Then paste in this format. Same, first common paragraph, then after type it manually. The dataset of research work contain following features like column name, bold, followed by this one, like this. Next, section 9.3, results analysis. Here, for this, you need to run the code. Same, simply I'm running the code. Python main.py. Here, login is one screenshot and sign up. First sign up screenshot, this one. If you have sign up screenshot followed by login screenshot. You should paste like this. So this is the format. Sign up followed by login. Here the details. Sign up and login of research work. A, B. This is the format. Thereafter, not only figure, not only sign in and login. After successful completion of login, here deep decision. So this is the home page. Yes, for all of your project, home page will be looks bigger, not simple one. Say look bigger. So split the home page into two parts. It's A and B. I split the home page into two parts, A, B, like that. Again, I'm showing once again. So for this, simple, you can use the snipping tool. Snipping tool. For every crop, you can use the snipping tool like this. Crop, first part, paste it in your document. Then after, drag down, snipping tool, same. Like this, crop properly. Crop it and paste in your document. Mostly you will get maximum 2. So here, same. Come back to the document. A, B, home page. Here name it as a primary, secondary, secondary. Yeah. Then after, all of your projects will have EDA. In the EDA, if you have tables like this, if you have tables like this, don't copy the table like this. Don't copy the table. For this also, my suggestion is that use the snipping tool. Use the snipping tool. Crop it properly and paste it. Apart from the table, if you have individual figures like this, for example, you have correlation matrix. Copy image, come back to the document. For each figure, you need to give the proper numbering, continuation, sequential, 9.3, 9.4, 9.5, like this. Correlation matrix. If you have, apart from the tables, if you have individual figures, 9.5, correlation matrix, like this. Then after completing the EDA, then you have multiple targets. Multiple targets are single target or dual target. As per your project, either single target or dual target or multiple targets. So for that scenario, for example, here in this target one is the job security or sorry, job priority. So simple heading. Job priority, it is a classification. Job priority classification output results. Here in the job priority page, we are getting the multiple confusion matrix, means multiple algorithms. PAC, NBC, KNN, CRN, like this. So I'm showing the sample. For example, if you have to copy the, I already copied the confusion matrix. I'm showing the ROC curve. Copy image. The above one is the confusion matrix. Copy image like this. I will tell how to format it also. Not only PAC, NBC. Copy image. Come back to the document. Like that. See here. I copied already confusion matrices A, B, C, D numbering. So see here. It is size is 7. Size 7. Like this. Say width. I'm saying about width 7. Then control X side by side. See. Like this proper organization. Not more than 2. Say AB, and if you have CD means another 2 also. C, D also you need to paste. I didn't paste it, but you need to do the remaining also. Like confusion matrix also same. ROC curves of job priority classification. If your figure is bigger size, you can make it as a single figure itself because few figures are bigger in size. So like that, do this one. Confusion matrix followed by ROC curves. Yes, apart from the confusion matrix and ROC curves, you still have the classification report. For the classification report, see here. First, we are in the PAC. Simply copy the this one. Precision, recall, F1 score, support, and don't copy the accuracy, macro average, weighted average. Copy this one only. Up to medium, high, low means these are the classes as per their project. So come back to the document. Sorry. Come back to the same chart. Yeah, I already did. I am showing. So like that, clearly mention what is the method. PA classifier, NBC. It's copy paste. Simply, it's a copy pasting only. Job priority. So this classification. Next, NBC. NBC report. If you have in terms of images, give the images. Give the images. But clearly mention which is NBC, which is KNN, which is proposed. Clearly mention. Every project, every classification design related project will have this one. Regression related projects, it won't have. Now give me three tables only, not multiple tables. For all classification projects, here this scenario is give me three tables only, such as recall comparison table, precision comparison table, F1 score comparison table. Explain each table in single paragraph with values. So like that, it is going to give the recall PA, NBC, KNN, high, medium, low. Like that, it is going to give the explanation followed by this one. Copy into your document. I'm going to show you how to format it also. After copy paste it, select the table. Click on table design. Click on this first one, table grid, and home. Paste it in, place in middle, Control E, and select the values like this. Control E again. Like that, it should be middle adjustment, middle alignment. Control E. Middle alignment. So not only this, you should give the proper numbering to the tables. Like first table is table 9.1, its description is above. Table 9.1, its description is above. Then after table 9.2, not this table clearly. Table 9.2 evaluates like this, followed by table, like the table 9.3, three tables. Now, after comparing this, don't copy these values as of now, let it hold. So you need to complete for not only one target, target 1, target 2, target 3. If you have three targets, you must do for same analysis for three targets. Like 9.3 is for, sorry, not 9.3, 9.4 is for target 1, 9.5 is for target 2, 9.6 is for target means output, 9.7 overall comparison, overall comparison. That also I will tell you. Simple, it is very simple. See here, in every project you have performance comparison. If you don't have, try to summarize these values. If you don't have, also try to summarize the overall performance tables like this. What are the, for example, I'm showing for scheduler type. Copy the table like this. Should be not image, it should be table format only. It should be table format only. Select all, auto fit contents. Again, I'm showing select all, auto fit contents. Same table design, table. Like that, it should be very good neat format. Okay. Again, table number, table 9.3 something, whatever the table number. Like that, overall comparisons. Or else if you have graphs, make it as a graph. Copy the graph, give the proper numbering. So after doing all this, still a lot of things are to be pending. That is nothing but you have figures. So like this, if you have figure, see, crop it means as here I am containing the A, B. I am containing the A, B. You should crop it properly. So new, see here, you should crop it like this. Figure 9.1A, 9.1B, including the title, including the title. Then come back to the system, give here, simple. Give the figure and figure name also, again give the figure name also. Then explain figure in single paragraph. with values and give me like figure 9.1 shows. This is not only for 9.1, 9.1 to A, 9.2 B, 9.2 C, or 9.3, 9.4, 9.5. For example, for confusion matrix, give me two at a time. That is AB at a time, followed by within the same chart, CD at a time. Then explain each confusion matrix in single paragraph with values. Here, it's important that you must explain it with carefully. Like figure, for each figure, you must and should give the proper citation. For example, if my figure is here 9.6, the confusion matrix as shown in figure 9.6a. Like this, you should do the analysis. So this is the analysis. Thereafter, not only for all figures, for all tables also, you should explain in single paragraph. For all tables, for all figures, at least one paragraph of explanation should be presented. Thereafter, last results. That is 9.8 prediction results. 9.8 prediction results. So, if you have prediction, you usually for few projects I give the admin and user. If you have admin and user window, you can do the user. I mean, wherever the prediction is there, you can go to there. But in this scenario, I'm having the prediction here itself. Click on prediction, click on some values, enter some values, some random values. If you have like this, enter some values. Enter the values. Same snipping tool. Crop it with values. With values, crop it properly. Come back to the system back, paste it. Paste it. Again, go back to the system, original system, predict. Click on predict. So after predict, you are going to get the prediction results like this. Again, snipping tool, prediction results. Same. Come back to the system, paste. Not only this, all the prediction results you need to add. So again, number to the prediction results also. Figure some 9.9 something. Sample test data input to the test data input. Test data input, that's it. Means whatever that one output. This is predicted figure, figure 9.10. Predicted example. I'm giving the random numbers. You need to give the proper order. Then copy image, same. This figure also you need to explain at a time. Same. For example, like this. Copy of figure 19, figure 10, 9.10. Same. Figure 9.9, 9.10. Same. Explain same format. Explain each figure in single paragraph with values. Explain like figure 9.9 shows. Like this. Copy it. Both. Same, paste it properly. Sir, if you have batch prediction results, if you have batch prediction results, such as batch prediction means giving the prediction from CSV file, prediction from CSV file, batch prediction. Choose file. Here, go to deep decision fuser. Whatever the test data, you have test data definitely. Select upload and predict. Yeah, I will tell you those also. Click on upload and predict. It took some time, but it gave the results. Batch prediction. Go back to the batch prediction. See, these are the outputs for first 20 100 rows. So you can give this also. Snipping tool. Again, you can copy just few samples. Like that, copy the few samples. Come back to the document back again. And make it properly. Figure 9.11. Prediction, batch prediction. It's named as a batch prediction results from test CSV. Batch prediction results from test CSV file. Is the figure name. Like that, give it name the properly. So here also all the names. For example, I will show another ROC curves of job classification output. Like that, names must be proper. So like that, for each figure and each table, there must be proper citation and one paragraph explanation. Thereafter, finally, chapter 10. Final chapter, chapter 10, conclusion, future scope. Conclusion, future scope. Conclusion and future scope. Then after here, come back to the same prompt, wherever you completed the results. Here, give me conclusion in two detailed for above. For above, give me conclusion in two detailed paragraphs with values like this, and give me future scope in two paragraphs like that. Like that, conclusion, future scope. Copy back the conclusion, future scope. Copy back conclusion, future scope. Then after 10.1 conclusion. 10.2 future scope. Like this. Finally, after all this, it is a bibliography or references, not new one, which are you collected already in the chapter 2, which are already collected in the chapter 2. You must and add in a serial numbering format. Sample I am showing. For example, I am showing from sample thesis. So, yeah, obviously it's equivalent to your document now equivalent to a PhD thesis. It's not a BTech thesis anymore. It's equivalent to a PhD research work thesis. Like that, in the last chapter, you must and should add the references like this. Last concluding, these are called as a references, which are from same from chapter 2. So this is the process of completing the entire document. So, thank you.